How to fix your Uber app crashing on your iPhone. So let's get straight into the video. Generally, when your application crashes, there are common reasons, and we're going to be looking at all the ways you can fix your problem. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and force close your Uber application and reopen it, which does fix temporary glitches. If not, you can also try restarting your iPhone. If your application is not up to date, you want to simply go to your App Store or Play Store and make sure that your Uber application is installed to the latest version. If your iOS device is also not updated, you want to go to Settings, General, and Software Update and install the latest iOS. Now, if that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and check your internet connection. Try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data. If none of it works, you might have no other options but to uninstall and reinstall your Uber application or contact their support team at help.uber.com. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.